These alarms will be lifesavers.
The $6.5 million Tsunami Siren project is rolling out across Northland over the coming months.
Northland's tsunami alarm upgrade is an important step towards resilience in the emergency management system for Northland.
The cost of the whole project is being shared by all 4 Northland councils.
The new tsunami sirens will alert communities of a tsunami risk. We introduced our first round of sirens in 2009. We now have new technology that we're introducing.
Made in Denmark and designed to last at least 50 years, there will be a total of 94 masts around Northland's coast.
So when the sirens are activated, people can expect to hear a very loud siren. They have a voice-activated command and they will give messaging to communities on what to do. These new sirens are solar-powered, battery-powered and are also connected to the mains power.
We recognise that once we've done this upgrade, we also need to invest as councils in more alarms for those communities that didn't already have tsunami alarms. As this is just an upgrade to replace existing technology, we do still need to invest in extending the network.
In the Far North District, we can expect to see 40 sirens installed in coastal communities over the coming months.
And we thank everybody for their understanding and being part of the system by working with us on where these alarms are placed.